Depression. We have heard this word many times. The word is very common, but the meaning is lost. The word itself is vague, deep, and has vast feelings. It's like a hunger that is not easy to be fed. It's hollow, and I feel like I am not able to grasp time. I am forced into this life where I see people moving in their life so effortlessly, but it feels like I am the only one who is paralyzed. I wonder how it is to feel normal every time. I act, I smile, I talk, but the voice in my head, it just does not stop. I often think, am I elsewhere? I repeat to myself, am I elsewhere? To know about mental health is important every time and for everyone. Mental health बिग्रिदा यसमा धेरै कुराहरू बिग्रिन्छ, like relationship, career, and a lot of many things. Commercialized र materialized कुराहरूमा धेरै ध्यान गइरहेको छ. Maybe that's also the reason why people are sad these days. यस्तो साह्रो के हुन्छ जसले गर्दा कसैको सोचाइमा नै मर्छु भनेर आउँछ. त्यस्तो सोचाइ किन आउँछ? Why? Maybe there were so many things one was holding up against his heart, and there was nobody to talk about his problems. After all, suicidal death is just the tip of the iceberg. Gaslighting, bullying, ignoring affects people's confidence and they feel demoralized. र जुन चीज उसले फिल गरेको हुन्छ त्यसमा मान्छेले एम्पैथी फिल नगर्दा this makes them more sad. And उसको केही रेस्पेक्ट नै छैन जस्तो हुन्छ होला. That's why they think of dying more than living. फेरि मान्छेहरू सबैको एउटै कज हुँदैन डिप्रेसन हुँदा. र डिप्रेसनमा मेन्टल हेल्थ डिक्लाइन हुन्छ, तर साथमा फिजिकल पेन पनि हुन्छ. इट हर्ट्स अ लट क्लिनिकली डिप्रेस्ड हुँदा. चेस्ट पेन, हेडेक र प्यानिक अट्याक पनि आउँछ इन सम केसेस. Depression is when you start losing interest in things you once enjoyed. And people with depression, they are not weak people. They are creative people who know more, but they also feel like no one will understand them. अनि सम्झाउन खोज्दा they might also feel offended. So many things compiled up हुन्छ कि suggestions accept गर्न सकिरहेको हुँदैन. So, make mental health a priority because mental health is equally important as physical health. र people should see कसैलाई appreciate गर्दा कसैको केही पनि जादैन. So listen to people without any judgments. Be more accepting and less judgmental. Because not all pains are physical and not all wounds are visible. It's high time. We should also stop celebrating other people's failures. Be kind to everyone because you never know what she or he may be going through. Encourage people to speak up for themselves and accept the people the way they are. Being there always makes the person feel better. Being there for someone even when the person denies. अब physically नै नभए पनि letting them know you will be there when they need you is very much comforting. And I also pray for you to have a peace of mind. It will take time, but soon this shall all pass. This shall all pass. and I pray you heal from things no one really apologized for.